Hello everyone, myself Pawan Thakur, lecturer physics. My next lecture on ray optics. Today we are starting with the next topic, important terms related to thin spherical mirrors. What are the important terms which are related to the thin spherical mirror? Today we are discuss this topic. First term, we are starting with the center of curvature. The center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror form a part is called center of curvature. It is denoted by capital C. Next term will be the pole. The center of the spherical mirror is called pole. Principal axis. The straight line passing through the center of curvature and pole is called principal axis. Next will be the aperture of the mirror. The portion of the mirror where reflecting of light takes place is called aperture of the mirror. Next will be the principal focus. Principal focus क्या है? The point on the principal axis to which all the light rays are parallel and converge after reflection is called the principal focus. Next will be the focal length. The distance between the pole capital P and the principal focus capital F of the spherical mirror is called focal length of the mirror, and which is denoted by small f. There will be another term, that will be the principal section. Any section of the spherical mirror passing through the pole is called principal section. Next we are discuss about the sign conventions. New Cartesian sign convention which are used for the spherical mirrors. First will be the all the distances are measured from the pole of the spherical mirror. Second, first of all we will consider the mirror. We will taking the x-axis and the y-axis. This point P will be represents the pole. The midpoint of the spherical mirror is called its pole. This will be the object here. The distance measured in the direction of the incident light are taken as positive, whereas the distance measured in the direction opposite to that of the incident light are taken as negative. This is the distance that can be takes place here. This will be the distance which are towards the right side, that can be represented here, which are taken as positive, and the distance toward the left side of the spherical mirror is taken as negative. This will be the important terms which are takes place. The distance above the principal axis, this will be the uprights, which will be taken as again positive. The distance above the principal axis, that can be taken as positive. The upward distance perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as positive. The downward distance perpendicular to the principal axis is taken as negative. The distance below principal axis, that is taken as negative. Next will be the distance between the pole and the principal focus. The distance between the pole and the principal focus, that is taken as positive, and the distance between the pole and the principal focus, that is called focal length, from the left side, that is taken as negative, and right side, that is taken as positive. These will be the some new Cartesian sign convention which can be used for the spherical mirrors. Our next topic, that will be the uses of the sign conventions. Spherical mirrors and the lenses form images of objects. These images are formed at the different position depending on the position of the object from the spherical mirrors and the lenses. Therefore, there will be a different relation between the object distance, image distance, and the focal length of the mirror of the lens. Sign convention helps us to establish a single formula for spherical mirror and single formula for lenses to take care of all the cases. These are the uses of sign conventions. दोस्तों, वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.